back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Shrestha. So today's in this vlog. Actually I don't know what should I name this video, but clearly you can understand I'm shooting in my iPhone and ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నా అంటే in iPhone the natural color kuda it'll be good enough. I mean, not so bad, it'll be good enough, but iPhone lo inka dark anpista. That is so mean and cringe and lame. So yeah, my mom is doing live in the OnePlus, so I kind of really have to shoot in this, because even if I had to shoot in my iPad or in my camera lo aithe clarity undadu, endukante clarity untundi, but I don't think I have to set up all of it, and I don't know who will catch the camera because I don't have a special tripod for it. And also my tab literally doesn't have any storage. Okay, whatever, why am I even telling about all this stuff? ఇప్పుడైతే ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ అయిపోయాయి అన్నమాట. ప్రజెంట్గా అయితే 4:30 అవుతుంది అండ్ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ఇప్పుడే అయిపోయాయి. కొంచెం సేపు ఐఎమ్ గోనా డూ మై రొటీన్, ఐ మీన్ డైలీ బ్లాగ్. కానీ నేను డైలీ బ్లాగ్ పోస్ట్ చేయలేను అంటే లైక్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఐఎమ్ గోనా డూ అ సింపుల్ వీడియో. What am I thinking? Okay, so whatever, I'm just gonna write my notes after some time, after chilling. Yeah, let's go. If you're new to our channel, you know what to do. Please do like, share and subscribe to Shrestha Mom, and click on that bell icon you see right there. Okay, you have to just click on it so hard, like that. Yeah, you nailed it. My writing just go poof. Okay, so let's go start the video and let's just chill. I just cleaned not my room technically, my parents' room. I just cleaned it off. Actually నేను పొద్దున like morning 9 o'clock నుండి since evening 4 o'clock I really have to stay in this room. అంటే అలా ఏం లేదు, ఐ కుడ్ రూమ్, బట్ మోస్ట్లీ ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి హ్యావ్ టు అటెండ్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ. సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ దాట్. అండ్ why am I speaking like that? Guys, I just took a little break, I guess, and I shooted a video of myself, like something art I can say, and just went through Kylie Baby by Kylie Jenner. And Kylie products are literally so awesome. Her lip kits, her summer kits, her what was that red kit? That thing was on fire. I really like Kylie, you know, the way she custom each and everything, that sparkly stuff and that lip gloss falling apart. Oh, that's all lit. Okay, speaking of Kylie, first of all, the thing I like in Kylie is that Stormi. Okay, so let's start the vlog. I think I'm gonna do a skincare of myself. So guys, I just found or guessed a simple mix for my skin that helps me really. If you have any kind of pimples or pigmentation or any kind of dark stuff to your face, just go for this one. It is really best for you. Just don't do it every day, just do it once in a week or twice in a week. That's enough. Just take some turmeric and mix it into paste with some water or rose water, anything is fine. Put the paste on your face. If you have a turmeric allergy, I can't do anything. A lot of people like Chitti has a turmeric allergy. Chitti has turmeric, aloe vera and neem allergy, the healthy ones that should be applied to hair or face. Fine, I'm gonna get the turmeric mix and wait. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna put my tripod a little bit high. This is my mini tripod, so yeah, that's fine. So I'm gonna tie my hair. ఇప్పుడు నేను పొట్టు అయితే తీయట్లేదు, బట్ స్టిల్ గonna do it. This is the turmeric paste. I smudged it, but it's okay. I'm gonna put it on my face. It's so cold.
like weird. So I'm taking some pictures for the thumbnail. It's weird. It smells so weird.
Guys, it's actually been a minute and I now feel like to remove it because it's so sticky and so annoying, keeps falling everywhere wherever I roam. Oh, so irritating. Just wash my face and it is so turmeric. You can't see in the camera, but in real life it's so turmeric. And also tinte tudiste kuda, you could see the stains. And I could put it. It's like, but it's all for our good kabatti, yeah. See? And you should drink a lot of water because if you want a good skin, good water, clean water. Anything, any type of water, you could take juices, you could take buttermilk, you could take lassi, any type of water stuff, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But don't take cool water. Cold water, nah. But I always drink cold water. So guys, I am just doing some videos for Instagram. Crying videos. So it's crying videos are not so hard to me. They're not even hard to me. I can do them so simply. Sometimes I do them in one take. So simple to me and I don't know why. Guys, now I'm going to go to the yoga class right now. So actually I just finished my live and stuff. So let's go to the yoga class and you could see my face really so yellow and color. So yeah, let's go to the yoga class and do some exercises. I think I'm not gonna shoot that all stuff, but I'm sure I'm gonna do a little bit of screen recording and stuff. So yeah. Does it even make sense, my talking? So guys, I just finished doing yoga class and you could see the sweat. It is literally so sweaty. Now I have to go take a bath. So let's go take a bath. So guys, I just had a great bath and after I applied the turmeric, you could see a little difference in my face, of course. So guys, I just posted a new video in my They Call Me Subama ID. If you don't know, go check it out. If you haven't checked it out, I think you checked it out. Yeah. So yeah guys, now I'm gonna clean my room because it's so dirty. So let's go. Guys, presently this is how my room looks, so neat and clean. See, I made the bed also. I have to change the sheets tomorrow because it's so dirty. Yeah. So this is how it looks. Before it was so nasty, I could say. So I have to do some schoolwork, but I still have a little bit of cleaning, guys. Which is I have to clean the kitchen and the hall. I'll be back after cleaning them. Guys, now I am messy after cleaning all of it, but still I have the glowing face. Boing! So my room is still like that. I cleaned the kitchen and hall in my nana's bedroom. My mom is liking most likely the cold water, so I filled everything of it. Exhausted. I'm gonna get dressed up with myself and see ya. Guys, please don't mind, my mirror is kind of messy and I am so sick that I'm looking so pretty today in my iPhone, that too. So it's like hell and heaven. So ipudaithe em with friends koncham homeworks unnai, I should do them. Eppudu amma em chestundo chuddam first. So bye bye to my room. I'll put 2 poo in it.
ఎర్ర గోంగూర పచ్చ గోంగూర గోంగూరమ్మ
నాన్న పిచ్చిలేదు.
ఎర్ర గోంగూర పచ్చ గోంగూర నోట తెక్కమో
తెల్ల గోంగూర ఎర్ర గోంగూర తెల్ల గోంగూర.
So guys, I am here in my room. I want to write little notes. I mean my school notes for sure. Not my personal notes. Where's the light? I should earn a little bit of likes. Yeah, so I should write a little bit of notes. I have my calendar. Yes, so not ashamed of it, but I have my calendar. So let's write my notes. It's kind of cool. I really like it. So guys, now I thought of to write Hindi notes. That's the only notes which I have as a pending. So I'm gonna do off my Hindi notes. So yeah. So guys, let's write. I had a little bit of a PDF issue, so I had to take a picture, and now I have to literally write my notes. See. Guys, I'm done writing my notes. I didn't really write a lot, and I really didn't shoot a lot. So I wrote a little bit. I think that was enough for the day. Now it is 8:35. My clock is kind of slow, so I could tell it is 8:35. I am gonna clean the room now because all my notes and everything is clumsy again. So we're gonna give some time for myself. Look how messy is it. You know, even I get a little pen or any pencil around my bed, it comes under messy to me, and I don't know why. I feel like the room is so messy. Why do you even keep it like that? I feel it like that. And I also don't like a lot of stuff keeping in my room. See how simple it is. I don't even have a lot of stuff. It's plain and clean. I don't like it. So I'm gonna just put it, and I'm gonna show you how plain it is. You can see how plain it is. There is my glass which I drank. Oh my god. Guys, I have to say you a thing. My room is so small, and I think it is small. Not so small, but small. I could say 90%, 10% of small, whatever. So yeah, it is pretty easy to clean. I don't make it mess. If I even make it mess, you could just quickly swap it up within 5 minutes. So that is the talent of my room. Guys, yeah, now we're gonna end this live. Guys, that's all for today. We're gonna end this vlog for now. Ipudu varaku live chesanu anamata, andukane live annanu. Okay, so bye guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel called Shrestha Mom.